Former and latter are very useful words in both writing task 1 and task 2. Former means the first thing that is mentioned, and latter means the second one. If I say, I called my sister and my brother, but the former was busy and didn't receive the call, it means my sister was busy. If in this sentence I write, the latter was busy, it means my brother. So former is the first, latter is the second. In this example, first we mention two places and their population figures. After that, we say the former dropped, which means the population of Manhattan dropped, while the latter increased, that is, the population of other districts increased. We can also use only one of them. That is what we have done in this example, where again we have mentioned two things, but in the next sentence we have only written about the other districts, which are the second thing that we mentioned, so we have used the latter. It is important to remember that former and latter work only when the sentence clearly mentions two things.